and welcome to this Decorate With Me challenge. And I call it a challenge because I have a teeny tiny space to work with. My front porch is not very big, and I have a lot of stuff that I want to put on this porch. So here is what it looks like before. I'm going to go ahead and sweep it up, get all those cobwebs off the corners, and over here I have a ton of stuff that I want to fit up there. So I have a lot of different pumpkins. They range in sizes. I just stuck with orange and white, all of the heirloom. Pumpkins can be quite pricey. I have a couple of mums, some smaller mums that were around the $4 mark at Walmart, and then this really big mum was, I believe, $19.99 at Walmart, and it's gonna look so awesome when it blooms. And then I just have a bunch of stuff kind of laid out right here that I want to incorporate. I have stuff falling in bushes. I think Frankenstein over there has fallen over. But I have an ottoman that I want to try to incorporate, and some hay bale. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning, and then I think I'm just gonna set the tripod up and go because the sun is going down and I have to get this front porch decorated. So let's go. Alright, so I got the front porch swept up as best as I could, and I went ahead and opened up the screen just because it's ugly, and I really need to paint my front door and the side of the house because it just really needs to be painted. It's very faded, but that's another day. So I think I'm gonna leave the screen door open. We only use the screen door mostly in the spring when it's kind of cooler. We leave the door open and then the screen shut, but there's really no use for it right now. We have two very large barking dogs for our security system. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start decorating, and I probably will not talk for the rest of the video, and I might just do like a time-lapse speed through, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started with the decorating. Alright, you guys, so here is the end result. I absolutely love it. I think it's so fun and festive for Halloween and fall, and I can easily keep this all throughout fall and just remove like the little Halloween touches when it's the end of October, so I can have this out for Thanksgiving. And I'm just absolutely in love with this, and I went ahead and put Frankenstein over there in my little purple heart succulents because he's purple and then the flowers are purple, so I thought he looked cute right there. And then I just took some Dollar Tree solar stakes off camera and kind of just randomly spread them out. So I think I have one up here, and then one hiding in the rock, and some more succulents, and then along this walkway. And I actually need to get more of those to put on this walkway, but a ghost crashed into this tree, and I think I actually might leave him there and put his friends along these hedges. But here's what I didn't end up using. So my flower market DIY, I actually need to go back and re-glue that because it's falling apart. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys want me to do more videos like this. And until my next video, I hope you guys have an awesome day and awesome week, and thanks for hanging out with me. Bye.